What a weekend, you all. For the first time since January 2021, the crypto market has fallen below $1 trillion off of its November high over $3 trillion. Crypto markets took a bath this weekend with Bitcoin falling over 20% at one point. U.S. government CPI report sent all the markets into tailspin as inflation rose 8.6% in May, on the back of rising fuel, housing, food, and wage prices. And Bitcoin's fall below 24K sent stress fractures through the crypto market felt by nearly every altcoin. Panic and fear set in as lending platform Celsius and the world's largest crypto exchange Binance halt withdrawals from their platforms. In a previous episode, we went over Binance's legal woes, and halting withdrawals from its customers is yet another in a series of public relation nightmares for the company to endure. Celsius competitor Nexo has a standing offer to buy out their crypto assets through June 20th as Celsius struggles through this crash. According to Dirty Bubble Media on Twitter, the company faces a large liquidation of 17,919 Bitcoin if the price of BTC falls below 22,584. This would mean Celsius would desperately need cash on hand to keep its leverage position viable. In traditional markets, SPY down 7% over the last 5 days, while blockchain stocks find themselves in double-digit losses. More pain believed to be on its way as crypto analysts forecast a 20K Bitcoin mark before we see markets recover. With uncertainty from inflation and regulators, it's not a great market for bulls to stay in control, failing to maintain every resistance level this year. Bears have been firmly in control, and we are likely to see more movement to the downside as investor fears compound. Let's provide some hopium news as VanEck CEO is confident that the BTC will rally. Jan Van Eck is quoted by dailyhodl.com and said, "Investors see it as a complement to gold. That's the short version. Bitcoin has a limited supply, the supply is visible, and it's very hard, almost impossible to change that. Bitcoin will go to half the market of gold, or 250,000 a Bitcoin, but that could take decades, and it's hard to put a time frame on it. Sure is hard to have that amount of hopium right now." Reminder to all the listeners, Palisade does not offer financial advice. Do your own research. Crypto markets are incredibly volatile and should never be invested to by money you can't afford to lose. If we haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that button, leave us a comment below, or find us on all your favorite social media platforms. And here's another great video.